So when it's Sunday and I'm doing all my laundry and I'm sorting it all out, I always sort my gym clothes based on colors. So I have my whites, my darks, and my colors. I choose the delicate cycle. If you don't have a delicate cycle, I would just put it on your coldest cycle possible. And then for drying, I have an ultra delicate dry cycle on mine. But if you can't choose that, if you have an air dry cycle, or even hang dry them, because I put a lot of money into gym clothes and had them tear, get tangled up with other clothes, or just the heat from the dryer like completely wear them out. And if you're like me, you're wearing them multiple times a week. You want them to last. So I am a mom, I am a wife, so that's not just me that's doing laundry. It's not just activewear I'm washing. So I don't want to buy too many different kinds of laundry soaps. This is the one that I found best that works both for my gym clothes and all the other clothes. Pretty basic, just Arm & Hammer, just add it in with my clothes on the delicate cycle. But when it comes to my white gym clothes, OxiClean White Revive is my go-to. They have a liquid and a powder. I actually like the powder better. You just put a scoop in the drum with the clothes. Again, wash it on cold. It keeps all my white sports bras super white and bright. And then when I'm drying them, if I am throwing them in the dryer, I do like good smelling clothes, so I do use a dryer sheet. It keeps them soft. I haven't found that it wears out my leggings at all, but gets them so they aren't staticky, they aren't attracting as much hair. So if I am using the dryer, I do like a dryer sheet. I just pick what smells the best.